Welcome everybody to Holidays and Celebrations. I'm Pam and I'm very happy to have you guys with me today. Hey guys, we are in my holiday kitchen and this is part of my holiday kitchen series that I have as my channel here. And today we're talking about eggnog oatmeal for the holiday season. Now the key things to remember about oatmeal is cheap, fast, and the eggnog version is full of rich flavor, guys. Now we all eat it different. Some of us like it thick, thin, some like to eat it cold, but most of us enjoy eating it hot. But now guys, I wanted to show you this eggnog because I think it's perfect to serve it for the holiday season. Now we usually eat it the simple way. It's usually half eggnog or half oats, and the cold version is usually an overnight version where we prep it before we go to bed. We place it in the refrigerator overnight and we eat it cold. And normally this version has yogurt that's put in it when we eat it cold. I personally like it hot, so I like to cook my oatmeal over the stove and eat it hot. But guys, I wanted to bring up this eggnog oatmeal to you guys because it's an easy family get together to make during the holiday season. It's an easy way to serve breakfast to the family, serve something really hot and rich, have something hot to drink with it. Especially during the holidays when things are time sensitive and money is really tight, this is an easy way to have a get together with the family. You just want to decorate that table really, really beautiful. Bring in the holiday colors like red for Christmas or New Year's, all different colors for New Year's. Put beautiful tablecloths on, and guys, you are good to go. Well, guys, this is a picture of my very own breakfast table. And I just want to say thank you for joining me today and watching and be a part of my holiday kitchen. And guys, remember, subscribe if you like anything and everything that has to do with the holidays. We follow the holiday calendar and we talk about all kind of things. God bless, guys. Happy holidays.